I'm going to quickly run through 4 movements that will help you in a few ways. Firstly, this can be used as a beginner's guide to better your pull-ups. If you're having trouble getting those full range pull-ups or even fatiguing after a few reps, these exercises will strengthen all the moving parts to performing better pull-ups. Alright, so here we've got a Smith machine. You want to set the bar roughly waist height, and you're bringing the bar down to probably like the lower section of your abs. I'm going to show a few more angles here. Legs straight, extending all the way back. Trying to use your back, but at the same time working on the wrist, the biceps, the forearms, working on that strength. So here's another angle. Going to the lower part of your abs. As you can see here, this angle you can probably see exactly how it's done, so you can figure out the setup for it. Alright, number 2, we're bringing the bar up higher, probably if you're standing next to it, probably to the bottom of your chest. So what's going to happen now is it's the same movement, but we are bringing the bar just under the chest. Same thing, all the way back, all the way forward. Trying to strengthen the back. Like I said again, the arms, these are the things that are going to help you with your pull-ups. So another angle here. Just under the chest, maybe the top of the abs. Working on the different angles of pull-ups. You probably start to feel the burn at this point. And another angle, so you know what you're doing. Alright, for the next one, we're going to do half pull-ups. So as soon as the arms are at a 90-degree angle, you're going to stop at that point. All the way down though, and all the way up. Pretty much with all of these reps and sets, we're going to be doing 4 sets. 4 sets, and you're looking at about 10 to 15 reps, depending on what you can do for every exercise. 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Alright, for the last one, it's going to be a little bit different to what I'm showing here, but you are going to pull up as high as you can and hold for as long as you can, and save enough energy that you're able to actually bring yourself down slower instead of me. I just kind of let go. So you're going to do, with this one is going to be a little bit different. You're going to do 4 sets, but 3 repetitions of this. So here I show it twice, but you're going to do 1, hold, and slowly bring it down. Just like this one. This one's the correct form. Slowly down. Alright, that's going to do it for today. This is a pretty simple workout. It'll probably take 30 minutes max. Enjoy.